Hey Attack on Titan fans, today I'll be showing you part 1 of Season 1's limited edition of the Blu-ray DVD combo pack. I'm actually a pretty new fan myself, so because this was released so long ago, I was unable to find it brand new. So unfortunately I can't give you an unboxing, but I have pretty much all the main things that you want to see in this limited edition. Because it's no longer in production, it's pretty difficult to find it at a reasonable price, but I've managed to get this as a steal in like new condition off eBay for just around $12, which is a real bargain considering the original retail price of this was around $90. And then this collectible box that you see here actually originally came with part 2, which I'll also be doing a separate video on, so if you're interested, make sure you subscribe to my channel. I also have already done the unboxing and overview videos of Season 2 and Season 3 Part 1, so again, it's on my channel if you want to check those out. But back to the original program here, we have Part 1. The color of choice is red, and the overall theme is kind of everything's on fire. And then if you flip it over to the back, you can see a picture of Eren with his ODM gear. And because this is a digipack is what they call it, or a digibook, so it is kind of in the form as if you have books, but of course they include CDs, and in the middle it has a 24-page art book, which I'll be showing you in just a minute. Here's a look at the spine. You can see that the emblem they have up at the top is the cadets. And if you take a look at the other limited editions, they keep with that same theme, keeping a shield with the emblem of the particular military corps that was prevalent in that part of the season. So here, taking a closer look at the back, you can see the details of the DVD and Blu-ray. They are unfortunately region locked to DVD Region 1 and Blu-ray Region A, so that's more geared towards the US market, unfortunately, if you don't have a non-regional Blu-ray or DVD player. Now normally this lenticular card that I'm pulling out here is located at the front when you first unbox it, but of course for storage I put it inside the digibook. But you can see that it's a really nice artwork design. It's pretty much the same thing as the front cover of the digipack, minus the accolades in the front, so it's just a very clean Attack on Titan in both English and Japanese. What I don't have that you would see in an unboxing would be that slip of paper with all the bonus feature contents listed out, but honestly you can see that behind the disc, so I'll just show you in just a bit anyways. So first off, when you open it up, you have the DVDs on the left, and then you have the two Blu-rays in a darker color on the right. Taking the discs out so you can have a better look at them, here's a look at the DVDs, disc 1 and disc 2. Fun fact is that if you were to ever get these damaged, you can always just buy the regular combo pack and they have the exact same artwork. So what we have here is Eren on part 1 and we have Mikasa on part 2. On the flip side, for the Blu-rays, we have Armin on disc 1 and then Sasha on disc 2. So for Blu-rays, they contain all of the special features just because they can hold more space. Unfortunately, you won't get very many special features that you can view on the DVDs alone, so you will have to view them on the Blu-rays. So with the disc removed, I can now show you what they have printed behind it. But first of which, you can see the stacking design on the disc allow it to have a good separation between the two, so you're not worried about one disc scratching another while it's in this packaging. Now on the left side behind the DVDs, you can see there's a bonus contents list of extras and also the episode titles listed right there, which is really nice, especially since I don't have the back piece of paper that originally came with this. The other side is then just a massive picture of the Colossal Titan's face. Personally, I thought Funimation did a really great job, particularly with this version of the limited edition. But now moving on to the 24-page digibook located inside this digipack, you can see full-blown color, edge-to-edge pages filled with artwork, character design, very basic text on character profiles. You can see them both when they are children and also when they're adults. Inserted in between is this chibi 4-panel comic, which was translated from Japanese to English, and I think this is one of very few places that you can actually find this officially published. You can see there's also more character profiles and also full-blown artwork of other characters that were mentioned in this part of the season. But there you have it. This is part 1 of Season 1 limited edition of Attack on Titan. If you're really into the series, I think this is a really nice collectible item that you can add to your shelf. Not to mention it looks great right next to part 2 of season 1 in this collectible box, which I'll be showcasing more in my separate video on part 2 of season 1. Make sure you subscribe if you aren't already to see that video. I'll also put the Amazon product link in the description. You never know if you can get a great deal on a used item, just in case. But anyways, thanks for watching guys, and consider subscribing if you want to see more Attack on Titan videos like this.